Okay, here we go. Our first bath. Now this is a rinse. I already bathed her. No. So we're doing a rinse. And she's got grass all over her. But this will work. I got my little trusty sponge. And a little baby tub. And she's getting her rinse. She doesn't think too much of it, but she's putting up with it. Now I used a combination of oatmeal shampoo with a fragrance, and I used some iodine, which is to like if she has any kind of allergies or boo-boos or anything on her, it will work against that. It's like an antiseptic bath. And then it's got a little bit of flea shampoo in it. She's soaked for about 10 minutes. And now I'm rinsing the soap off, cleaning her up. And I think she's doing very, very well for her first bath. She was born June the 2nd, so I haven't figured up her birth date. What is that? Anyway, I don't see any fleas on her, but I like checking as closely as possible, and I'll probably give her a Capstar, which is an anti-flea medicine. It kills everything that's active on her off, and then it should be repeated. But this flea bath that I gave her, the flea shampoo, should help protect her. No, be good. Be good. I know you're doing really good. Okay, so you're done now. Sit. 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 Good girl. Okay, free. You should always have a release word for your dog. And we got quite a little bit of stuff off of her. Yeah. Did you think that was good? Huh? Did you like it? Did you like your bath? Now you get to be dried.